Welcome to Mike Golden Games. As you can see, my Jeep is really dirty. I actually just got the wheels rotated today. So I washed her, 2 days ago. Last night it rained, and I'm going to be doing another video just cleaning this off. But for this video, so I'll bring it over here. So months ago, I got these carbon fiber blades for the drone, and because winter came, I didn't really fly the drone at all. So what I'm going to be doing for today's video is swapping out the blades and seeing how these carbon fiber blades are. I mean, there's some imperfections in them, so I'm not really too sure. That's another reason why I never really got around to putting them on, is just they're not the highest quality. Like, they look good, but there's one of them has like dog hair or something in the resin. So anyways, let's put them on and see what it looks like. So we're going to start by taking these blades off. Comes off pretty easily. This one's on there a little tighter. There we go. All right, so now let's put the carbon fiber blades on. Should go this way. There we go. And this one here. Getting a little sunny out now. And this one should spin the other direction. There we go. And let's get this one on, and hopefully it'll work good. Let's make sure they're not going to touch. It's pretty close, but they're not going to touch. These, yeah, they're about the same length. So let's get this thing ready to fly. Okay, that's looking really good. I love the carbon fiber look. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the video, by the way. Again, this is the 4K version of the Phantom 3. So we're gonna get this thing started up and see how it flies. Okay, so the aircraft is warming up right now, as you can see there. Again, this is a GoPro, so it doesn't focus the best up close, but we'll see how this does. It's got 49% battery right now. I just went over to my grandma's house to look at her roof with the drone. These things come in handy for everything. So many different uses. It's still warming up, so we're gonna give it a second here. She is ready to go, so let's manually start her up. There we go. And now let's take her off. And there we go. We're still at 46% battery, so I'm going to run her down a bit, but these carbon fiber blades seem to be working so far. So these blades seem to do pretty good. I mean, they were like 20 bucks on Amazon. Like I said, they're not the greatest quality, but they are carbon fiber. They're true carbon fiber blades. So it seemed to fly pretty good with them. And they're supposed to be, a lot more durable, but like I said, the quality, like the edges of them, aren't the best, so I gotta fly and see how long these actually last. But hey, got extra blades. Actually, I do have another set of these. It came with 2 pairs of them, so in case these break or whatever, I do have another set. But these were actually the best out of the 2 sets. So the other set, was kind of less quality than these. But overall, it flew pretty good, and it's carbon fiber. It looks freaking cool. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the episode. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Have a great day, guys, and see you next time. Maybe consider subscribing if you haven't already.